During his Independence Day speech, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a significant initiative designed for students preparing for competitive examinations. This announcement comes in response to increasing concerns about the rising costs of private coaching and the financial burden that it imposes on families, especially those from poorer and middle-income backgrounds. While addressing the nation from the Red Fort, Prime Minister announced that the government will offer free online coaching for various competitive examinations. This initiative aims to support young people in their preparation for important exams without the burden of high costs associated with private coaching.
हमारे मध्यम वर्गीय परिवारों के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा बोझ बन चुका है कोचिंग क्लासेस की स्पर्धा। हर माँ बाप को लग रहा है कि कोचिंग क्लास में बच्चे को नहीं भेजा तो हम प्रतिष्ठित परिवार नहीं है। इन गरीब और मिडिल क्लास परिवारों की हम चिंता करते हुए हजारों करोड़ रुपए का उनका खर्च है वो भी बचे, बेटे भी अपने आसपास रह सके, उनकी देखभाल हो सके, परिवार पर आर्थिक बोझ न आए। और इसलिए हमने युवाओं के लिए विभिन्न परीक्षाओं की फ्री ऑनलाइन कोचिंग हमने करने का निर्णय किया है।
After the students' protest in Jantar Mantar and other parts of the country, the government has taken on itself to provide relief to the students preparing for competitive examinations. 27% of Indian students receive private coaching, and this number goes higher for urban regions. On an average, an Indian household spends 9,950 rupees per month and 4,548 rupees per month for both urban and rural, respectively. While the expense is incurred by the parents and candidates, irrespective of their monetary background, the selection rate reveals the picture of India's coaching industry. Top exams like NEET for medical students and JEE Mains for engineering students command a selection rate of 7% and 16.26% respectively. While the civil service examination has a staggeringly low selection rate of 0.2%. This difference in the money spent, time consumed and the selection rate has prompted the government to take steps to make coaching cheaper and accessible.